open skills are different from closed skills in that they involve a tailored, adaptive response in an unpredictable situation. There are multiple ways of performing open skills. And the way we choose to perform an open skill depends on the situation. Examples of open skills include facilitating a training session, motivating employees, and responding to difficult customers. Open skills are best developed through far transfer, when the training situation and the work situation are different, and when the application of a new learning capability is not identical to the way it was learned in training. Promoting open skills and far transfer works a bit differently. Here are some of the evidence-based strategies that we can use. We start by teaching general principles that trainees can use in a variety of situations, giving them the tools they need to be prepared for just about any situation they may face on the job. Try to persuade learners to experiment and to try different strategies in different situations. Provide them with feedback after they make mistakes and errors. And whatever you do, don't punish them for making mistakes and errors. Training is the place for this to happen so long as they learn from those errors. And just like with closed skills, we need to reward trainees for experimentation, for trying new things, and show them that the organization values flexibility in the application of skills. Now you have some useful techniques for promoting transfer of training. Combine these strategies with the ones you learned in the previous lectures, and you will be well prepared to design effective training programs.